Time is one of the greatest blessings Allah has bestowed upon us. Yet, it is also the most fleeting. Imagines if time were a currency, and every moment you spend could never be regained. Would you invest it wisely in good deeds or squander it on temptations only to face regret later? In this skit, our boys will take us to a symbolic marketplace where time is the currency and every choice counts through engaging scenes. They will show the consequences of our actions and remind us to use our time in a way that pleases Allah. Our next skit, Marketplace, explores the concept of time as a currency. Watch as the boys portray how we spend this precious resource on good deeds, temptations, or regrets.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the market of time, a magical marketplace where your time is the only currency. What you choose to buy can shape your destiny. We have three stalls in the magical marketplace. First, good deed stall. Second, temptation stall. And third, regret stall. And we have three friends roaming in this magical marketplace. Let's see what they would buy in exchange for their precious time. Our first buyer, Saleh, enters the market.
This is very flashy. Shouldn't be at the stall of temptation. Yes, it did belong to the temptation stall, but every hour you spent on distraction and desire, every temptation that is brought by our precious time, it all eventually turns into regret. If whatever he is saying is true, why should I spend my time on temptation when all will turn into broken regret in the end? I will not spend my time on temptation.
Indeed, you have made a good decision. See what I have in my stall. Look at this book of knowledge. It can make your heart shine. And wait. Look at this charity package to spread happiness.
Wow, these are wonderful things. But what is the price?
Only
Hey,
a bit of
friends.
your time and the reward is endless.
Here's my time, and I would like the prayer mat and the charity package, please.
And so, Saleh decided to invest his time wisely, choosing what lasts forever. But what about other buyers? Our second buyer, Ghafil, enters the market.
Hello, my friend. Come to me. Look at these things. How appealing they are. Come to me, and I will give you the success of both the worlds.
Hey friends, do not listen to him. Look at these flashy things. How appealing they are. Come to me, and I'll give you the pleasure of this world fun, fame, and fortune. Step right up. Feast your eyes on fun, fame, and fortune.
Wow, all these things look so exciting.
So, what you have decided? You can have this. You can have this jewelry, or how about this phone? It will never let you be bored.
I love them all. But what's the price?
All you have to pay is your time.
Just my time? Take it and give me everything you have.
And so, Ghafil spends his time on temporary pleasures. He feels happy for now, but will it last? Now, our third buyer, Malal, enters the market.
Hello, my friend. Come to me. Look at these things. How appealing they are. Come to me, and I will give you the success of both the worlds.
Hey, you shut it, silly. Feast your eyes on fun, fame, and fortune.
I have not decided yet. I will spend my time on something good. I am just looking around right now.
Malal is caught in a trap of procrastination. neither moving forward nor making a choice. Little did they know that the market of time will close soon. Time is passing by. And oh, hey, look, our Ghafil. Did his happiness last?
Oh, I have been expecting you.
What stall is this?
Welcome to the stall of regret, where the weight of your wasted time comes to rest.
What? No, I have no regrets. I am just a bit tired carrying weight of my deeds.
The weight of giving into temptation could be heavy, yes?
But I wanted to be happy. But now I just feel so empty and heavy at the same time.
These items you have brought by spending your precious time are of no use now. Take these chains, they are the remnants of your wasted time.
How do I fix this?
It's not too late to seek the stall of good deeds. Only there you can lighten this burden.
I cannot go back. The path is too lengthy. The stall of good deed is too far. I have sinned a lot giving into worldly pleasures. How can I spend any remaining time on good deeds? It would be of no use. I am bound for hell. I am of no good. I am doomed.
Look around you. We are all sinners, but we must not despair. Paradise won't be filled with sinless people. It will be filled with the people who repented.
Repentance? But it is too far.
Never too far.
I want to get rid of these. Can I spend my time on repentance? Is there any way?
Yes, there is always a way.
Wait, what's happening? Wait, where are you all going? I have not spent my time yet. I want to spend my time on you.
But where is your time?
It's here. It was here. Where's my time now? Where's my time now? Where's my time now? Where's my time now? Your time is over. Wait, leave me. Who are you? Leave me. And so, Malal runs out of time. He spends their time waiting, hesitating, thinking tomorrow was guaranteed. But is it? The market of time teaches us that time is the greatest asset. Allah reminds us in the Quran. وَالْعَصْرُ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. By the time, indeed mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed and done righteous deeds and advise each other the truth and patience. Dear audience, let us reflect on our choices. Will we invest in deeds that shine forever or waste our time what fades? Jazakallahu khaira.
What an impactful performance. The message about valuing our time was beautifully delivered. Thank you so much, students.